In this demonstration, I will show you how to calculate business travel expenses using slice of cost. Let's say your day goes like this. You leave the house to go to a business meeting, then you go to the grocery store to get some groceries for home, and finally you go pick up your kids from school before going back home. Our goal here is to calculate the travel expenses of the business meeting so that they can be declared as business expenses for tax reduction. To do the calculation, go to www.sliceofcost.com and click on Split Travel Expenses. Make sure the Place Origin option is selected and place the origin marker at the location of your house. Next, make sure the Place Stop option is selected and place a stop at the business meeting location, a stop at the grocery store location, and a stop at your kids' school location. Finally, click the Split button. Slice of Cost will calculate the percentage of the travel cost for each stop location. Assume the total travel cost is $145, including the fuel cost, the travel time, and the vehicle-related costs. Place the total travel cost in the corresponding field and then select the option Amount. This will show the actual travel cost contributed by each stop location. Now you can take the cost associated with the business meeting location and declare it as business expenses to reduce the amount of taxes you have to pay for your business.